Hey everybody, it's Bob. Today I'm going to talk about ATM usage and possible issues that you may have with accessing your money. And I'm bringing this up because I've noticed a lot of expat uh, Facebook pages. People are asking these questions about, what ATM to use, how to access money. So I figured I'd kind of answer that now. Um, I've done another video on apps and things, about money that way, Gcash, Maya, all those. But as far as ATM usage, it took me a little bit to know what ATMs that I can use because every bank's going to be different. Um, so in my area, there are two kinds of ATMs that I can use. One is BPI. Um, that's also the bank of my girlfriend. And there's another one, I guess something like Euro, whatever it's called. It allows me to use it. Now, the only way you're going to find out if you can use them is if you try them. Like I said, there's a ton of different types of ATMs around, and some of them will say that they're international. And then I had issues when I go to use them, nothing happens. It just says your card's not accepted. Uh, when I first came here, we were up at in Angeles at ABC Hotel, and that next morning I went to go use an ATM. There were 3 ATMs right there at the hotel. Only one worked for me out of those 3. And all of them said international. So, the thing is with using ATMs, the dark side of that is they charge you around 250 to 300 pesos, or about 5 to 6 US dollars roughly per transaction. They will only allow you 10,000 pesos per transaction, but up to 20,000. So they allow 2 transactions of 10,000. So that's $12 to get your money out. What I do, I don't advise doing this. But since my girlfriend and I, we've been together now going on 3 years. What I did was I linked my one of my money transfer apps, Sendwave, to her bank. And then let's say I want to take out 5,000 pesos. I'll deposit 5,000 pesos into her bank account, and then we go up and withdraw it. So I only put in what I want to take out. Her bank can't access my Sendwave nor my account, so she can't take any money out of my account. I can deposit into her account, and then it saves me all that money. Been doing that probably for the last 6 months, 8 months. And that works out great for me. People ask about MoneyGram or Western Union. Don't use those. Do not use those. In my area, there's something called Palawan, which is like a pawn shop. And you can actually use those money forwarding apps like Remitly or Sendwave or any of those to send to Palawan. You can pick up your money, and I think it's usually anywhere between 15 to 50 pesos. A lot less than an ATM, but at least you get your money. Another issue with ATMs, especially in my area, because my area is heavy tourist, usually like, Thursday, Friday, Saturdays, they don't generally come out and fill those ATMs back up till Sunday or Monday. So by Saturday, usually they're out of money. So my advice is to always keep cash on hand in a safe place. Don't keep it on you. Keep it somewhere. I usually try and keep, especially during rainy season because of typhoons, I'll usually keep about at least 50 to 100,000 somewhere in a safe, locked away. I have the combination. She doesn't. If we need money, I get it. Um, that's an idea. I've discussed that before in the other money one. But as far as ATMs, you can use them, but they cost money. I mean, my bank will refund me up to 12 US dollars in bank fees. That's 2 withdrawals. After that, I pay them. Um, so I'm thinking about switching my bank, but I using my girlfriend's bank. It works well. It's fine. So that is my video for the day. I am getting ready to leave. Uh, I got like 2.5, 3 weeks left, and I'll be heading back to the States. It's I love to travel, but I hate packing. I really do. I hate packing. Um, I'm looking forward to the trip. I'm looking forward to seeing family and friends. What I am not looking forward to is work and the stresses with work because I'm going back for also work. Um, I can't wait to get back here uh, in April. I will be vlogging when I'm in the States. And yeah, I'll probably go live too, but I'll put a post up letting you guys know when I'm going live if you join it, so you can join it. So I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video.